Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this aftermarket key fob. You're going to need a small screwdriver, about this size is fine, and one of these replacement batteries. This takes 12032, and I've put a link in the description below to both of those items. Alright, so on this fob there's a tiny little slot right here. Very small. Just take your small screwdriver and pry the two halves apart and work your way around. It's very tight quarters. Okay, there you have access to your battery. Let's take out this old battery. Gently remove that. Place in the new battery, positive side facing outward. Give that a good squeeze and check for your green light. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.